Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export Google Photos to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to myaccount.google.com. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, go ahead and do so now. This will give you access to all your account settings and data management tools. Once your Google account dashboard has loaded completely, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see several options listed there, but what you're looking for is the Data and Privacy tab. Click on it to access your data and privacy settings. This section is where Google allows you to manage all the information associated with your account, including photos, emails, and other stored data. After entering the Data and Privacy section, scroll down through the page until you find the Download Your Data button. You'll typically find this under the Tools section. Once you spot it, click on it. This action will redirect you to Google Takeout, which is Google's official data export tool that lets you download copies of your content from various Google services. Now, when Google Takeout opens, you'll see a list of different types of data from your Google account, including Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and many others. By default, all of these options are selected, but since you only want to export your photos, you'll need to deselect everything first. Look for the option at the top that says Deselect All and click on it. This will uncheck all the data types at once, saving you time. Next, scroll down through the list until you find Google Photos. Click on the checkbox next to it to select only this data. This ensures that you're only exporting your photo library and nothing else, which keeps the export file size manageable and focused on what you actually need. After selecting Google Photos, scroll down further and click on the Next Step button. This will take you to a new page where you can configure how you want to download your Google Photos files. You'll see a drop-down menu with different delivery methods. Click on it and you'll see 4 different options: Send download link via email, Add to Drive, Add to Dropbox, and Add to Box. Choose the method that works best for you based on your preferences and available storage space. Each option has its advantages, so select whichever fits your workflow. Once you've configured your preferred delivery method, click on the Create Export button. Now, you'll need to wait for the process to finish. Depending on the size of your Google Photos library, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. Google will process your request and prepare your photos for download. You might want to check back periodically or wait for a notification email from Google confirming that your export is ready. Once the export has finished and you've downloaded or accessed your exported Google Photos, head to your OneDrive account. Simply upload your exported Google Photos to OneDrive using the Upload feature. You can drag and drop the files or use the Upload button, depending on your preference. Give it a moment to complete the upload, and your Google Photos will now be safely stored in OneDrive. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Google Photos to OneDrive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.